I'm Harischandra Saparamadu. I work for Baker Tilly Staples Rodway, New Zealand, and I work as an assurance senior manager. And then my main role is to work with audit teams introducing audit technology and like a DataSnipper and various other analytical tools we use. And I've been using DataSnipper for about, I think, since 2019. I started audit career about 27 years ago, and with pretty much of manual documents and manual ledgers kind of things. When I heard about DataSnipper doing those snipping and kind of thing, we were excited. And when I used that, I felt like it's a kind of a game changer. It was really, kind of a different thing that I wasn't expecting at that time. So felt very excited, yeah. Yeah, so the way it impacted was now back in then we used to see working papers without really trace to the supporting document. And we couldn't see from me as a reviewer, when I see somebody's working paper, I just obviously want to see whether there has been anything wrong in there. How do I know whether what is documented is correct? So with the DataSnipper coming in, we can immediately go back to the source document or the source where the documentation was done and review and see. So that was really a kind of a different experience. So like I mentioned, the biggest benefit is that traceability to the supporting documents. As a reviewer, I can easily go back to the supporting document and see what the source and whether it's reliable. And then the other thing is, like snipping and all these other capabilities within the tool makes it, document matching, document tracing and vouching make it so faster. So we can really save lots of time out of there, and then it increases the quality. So those are the benefits I have seen, yeah.